How to view hidden posts on Reddit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipan Vesnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can find the list of your hidden post and how you can view the hidden post on Reddit application. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to download your Reddit application. You can get it on Play Store or iOS Store, and you want to open it up and you want to make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in here, you should get an interface like this. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. There you can see mine as well. You want to tap on profile. Once you do so, a pop-up will appear from the right, and down at the bottom you can see the settings option. Right above settings you can see history option. You want to tap on it. Now here my history is empty, but if you want to look at your hidden post, all you have to do is tap on the recent option that you can see at the left hand side, top left of the screen. Tap on it, and there you can see recent upvoted. If you want to view upvoted, you can view it from there. If you want to view downvoted, you can view it from there, and you can see the hidden option. Simply tap on hidden, and here you'll be able to view all your hidden posts. So I don't have any, but you can view it here. So this way you can view hidden posts on Reddit app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.